Artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies are the trendiest in today's market, and the future of demand and opportunity will rise in future for sure. So if you are a student who want to kickstart your career in AI or ML, so in today's video I am sharing an amazing opportunity in the machine learning domain where you can work as an ML intern, and this internship is paid, means you will be getting stipend per month if you are going to do internship with the same company. So what is the criteria, which company is providing this opportunity, where to apply, how to apply, and most important, what is the last date to apply for this opportunity? All the things will be covered in today's video, so make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you like our content, then do like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell notification for getting all the amazing opportunity. Also, before moving to our laptop screen, I want to recommend a few things. Firstly, we are building the community at the pan India and global level, where you all the students, working professional can join our community. All the things are free. Joining is totally free. So you, in video description, you will finding WhatsApp community, Telegram community, Telegram discussion group, where you all can discuss with each other and learn and grow. Also, recently we have created WhatsApp channel with the name EduPath with Shubham Y Shah, where you all can join it for free. If you personally like my content and want to learn from me, then you can directly connect on LinkedIn. I will be accepting the connection request if you are sending. Also, if you want to connect me one to one for consultation or any guidance or mentorship, so all the link are provided in the video description. So after watching this video, you can visit the description once and you can grab the opportunity whichever you want to like. So let's go to our laptop screen. Hey friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the platform where we have to seek the opportunity in the domain of machine learning. The company providing this opportunity is justmove.fun. This opportunity is very good as the base stipend is 20,000 rupees and it can be exceeded to 40,000 rupees per month respectively. Duration of this internship is 2 months and with the working of 7 to 8 hours per day. If you got selected, then the joining will be on the immediately basis. Openings are 2 and remote office location. Minimum criteria for application is you have to have at least 7.5 CGPA. Then only you are eligible. Now let's talk about the skills. The skills which are required are NLP, deep learning, LangChain, JavaScript, and Python. Skills which are optional are Node.js, API, no code, and Llama Index. So now let's talk about the requirement in detail. So you should have at least knowledge of full stack development, that is one stack, and have a knowledge of Replit, Streamlit, AWS, Vercel, Cursor, etc. Now let's talk about the responsibility. So as an AI software developer intern, you will be having the opportunity to work with the cutting edge generative AI and NLP projects that will leverage latest LMMs, REX, and AI agent. Your expertise in the full stack development, along with the ability to research and implement latest development in the domain of prompt engineering, REX, AI agent, and model fine tuning, will be instrumental in developing innovative AI solution. So firstly, you have to collaborate with the senior developers to research, development, and implement the different GenAI apps using latest LLM and other AI tools. Secondly, you have to code, test, and iterate the different products hypotheses using latest AI development, especially in the multimodal AI space. Thirdly, you will be using React.js, Node.js, and Firebase AWS, Replit, Streamlit, Vercel, etc. to create a version 1.0 of the user-friendly AI application. Fourthly, you will be conducting the testing and debugging to ensure the quality and performance of AI software. And fifth thing is you have to stay up to date with the latest advancement in the AI technology and contributing ideas to improvement system.